Hi, today we're going to do unboxing of a Bissell Professional Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. So we've got manuals, come with that, we know that, that's pretty standard. This is the wall mount, I think, where you can park the mop when not in use. That's mop pad. This is for tile floor, more hard surfaces like tile. This is just a measuring cup to put the water. These are all the different attachments. And let's see what else. So this is the actual mop base. It also comes with a mop pad. This one is for more delicate surfaces like wooden floorboards. Yep. What else do we have? Let's see. What is this? Fragrant disc. I'm assuming it's just like a little flavor you add when you're mopping to make it smells nice. And this is this actual stick. And what do we have? Okay, so this is the main component, the motor, the attachment. That's where the water goes, the clear compartment. Yep. And I think that is it for that. And what do we have here? So he's trying to assemble so that we can demonstrate and start using, because we moved into this house a couple of weeks ago and we haven't actually done a proper cleaning. I mean, we've mopped it with a normal, mop, but we wanted to do a steam mop one. So once you plugged in, it will start flashing, which means it's heating up the water. You don't do anything until the light becomes solid. There you go, it's solid now. So you can, so there's two buttons on the side, lower level and higher level. So just depending on, how dirty your floor or how clean you want it, or, it's really up to individuals what sort of level they want to use it at. It's pretty cool. I could, because of the lightning, you can't really see what's happening. But where are we? I don't know if you can see it. The light is not very good here because it's raining and everything, so not much sunlight's coming through. And I mean, so far we're loving it. It's actually picking up all, like, we're cleaning really well. As you can see, there are some stubborn spots. You just have to go over it a few times, but they actually come off. I think it's a pretty good little tool.